What do you think of this? So, as a EW officer and part of Exercise Shakti 8, it has been a unique opportunity to work along with the French counterparts in the electromagnetic spectrum environment. So, this exercise, we have been actively involved in the interception, we have done the direction finding, as well as integrated with the tactical missions. This exercise, we have learned the best practices from each other of the EW deployment, the missions, as well as we have integrated with the ongoing tactical missions. We can say that with the joint training we had during this exercise with our French counterparts, we have not only done the electronic warfare, but we have learned the spectrum dominance, the real time communication disruption, and the signal security, which is a very crucial aspect of any subconventional warfare. So, this training has been a very learning experience for us as well as the French counterparts to carry out the electromagnetic cooperation in the modern day battlefield.
As company commander, I feel Exercise Shakti 8 has provided us a valuable platform to refine our skill in realistic operational scenario. We have been actively engaged in combat shooting, joint obstacle crossing, and room intervention there. As far as the jointness is concerned, we have practiced joint patrolling, troops insertion, and also integrated the counter UAS and electronic warfare elements in our mission profile. We have also executed the 96 hours long field exercise, which tested us our decision making under stress in realistic sub-conventional threat. Overall, it's been very enriching and professional experience for our tracks.
We use MGRS in French.
It is night, you can turn the light.